Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds EARFUN Air 2. And the first trick is that when you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can use gestures at your earbuds, and touch area is located at the back side of each earbud, right here at the top. With it you can play or pause the song, you can play next or previous track, you can call voice assistant, you can swap between ambient sound control, you can volume control the music or the movie, the audio. And you can customize this in the application. You need to open EARFUN Audio app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application, then tap on it, scroll down and go to customize control. So right here you can set something else. You can also add to enable or disable game mode here, or to turn off these headphones. It's up to you. You can disable this touch areas if you don't need it. Next, you can improve your listening experience by changing Equalizer preset. Right here we have Equalizer, so you have a lot of presets here. You can change something good for you. You can also create a custom preset. It's up to you. This is mine. Next, as I said, these earbuds have ambient sound control. So it means that you have ANC. You have two types of ANC: adaptive and normal. And it means active noise reduction, adaptive if you enable it. You cannot enable it by gesture, but you can do this in the application. With it, it will change your ANC level depending on your background. When you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds. You can only enable transparency mode. Also, right here we have wind noise reduction, so it's a good one. Also, if you play games, right here we have game mode. But I don't recommend to use this mode all the time. I mean, when you play games, you can enable it, but then I recommend it to disable, because with this mode you may have connection instability. Also, right here I have theater mode, so it's something like spatial audio, but you cannot use Equalizer with theater mode. And the next trick is only for the Android users, because these headphones have LDAC, what means high resolution audio codec. Apple devices doesn't support it, so I also haven't it in the application. But if you have Android, you need to check is your phone support this codec, and then you can use it and you will like it, I guess. At this channel we have video how to enable it, so you can check it if you don't know how. Now, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can perform a factory reset. You have two options how to perform it. You can use an application. Right here, scroll down, and here's factory reset, or you can just put your earbuds to the charging case, then close, do not close the case, open the lid, and at the bottom we have connection button. You press and hold it for at least 8 seconds until you will see that the LED light on your earbuds start blinking purple. And then you need to reconnect your earbuds. If you still don't know how to do this, you can check video at this channel how to perform a factory reset. We have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!